Ćao ljudi, ja sam Assassin LT. Da, igramo GTA San Andreas i probat ću da ubacim u ovaj video barem 3 misije, znači izvinite, skoro za početka igramo i hajde da pročnemo. Ok, znači da vidimo. Ajde. Ok, ostavit ću i da pogledate.
After 5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
Welcome to Los Santos Airport.
What's up? Carl is Sweet. What's up, Sweet? What you want? This is Mama.
O,
She's dead,
mama
bro.
mu je umrla. A, pa da, to je početak cijele igrice. Zato oni dolazi. Inače, on je prije toga živio u Liberty City-u, pa je sad došao San Andreas. O, Murija.
Passenger, show us your hand. Stop. Get down on your knees. Now down on your stomach. There you go.
Okej. Sad će nešto ga smaraju, očigledno. Šta je?
I'll take that,
Me
Hernandez.
nerviraju.
Hey, that's my paper, man. That's money.
This is drug money.
My money, man.
Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fill it out later.
Welcome home, Carl.
Kako lepa dobrodošlica.
You haven't forgotten about us, have you, boy?
Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what took y'all so long.
Get in the car.
Ease up, man. Damn.
Ja, ovo video smara mnogo. Ne znam da li ga promotom, a?
Watch your head.
Sve u svemu on će... Dobra je, ostavit ću.
Get out of here, you
Sve u svemu će
greaseball
oni njega
bastard!
sada da vode i...
Mexican. Oh, hey, sorry.
My
I
bad.
onda moram...
Hey,
Dobra je,
man, my bad.
sve video ću da ostavim, tako da... Nek ide.
How you been, Carl? How's your wonderful family?
I'm here to bury my mom. You know that.
Yeah, I guess I do. So what else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I live in Liberty City now. I'm clean.
Eto, kao što sam rekao.
Legit.
Nah, you ain't never been clean, Carl.
Well, what do we got here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Pendlebury. A fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I
Nigga?
just got off the plane.
Well, that's a good thing we found you and retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah,
sad
don't
će
bullshit him,
izbaci,
Carl.
What the fuck you want from me this time?
When we want you, we'll find you.
When we
In the
watch you.
meantime, try not to gun down any more officers of the law.
E
Y'all
da.
can't leave me here. This baller's country.
Da,
I
inače
thought you
Grove
said
Street,
you was
Balasi
innocent, Carl.
i nesrećni
Shoot on
sezoni
back.
Meksikanci, a oni uvek
See you around
ratuju.
like a donut, Carl.
Officer Pendlebury's down. We'll be right over.
See you, Nat.
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights baller country. Now, I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years, but the ballers won't give a shit.
Ok, znači ovdje sve počinje. Ok, trebam da vozimo bajs. Ok, idemo. Izvini. Nisam namjerno, izvini. Da li sam je ubio? Ne veze. Sve u svemu, idemo u Grove Street. Tvojemu treba malo da ajde, požuri. Moram brže. Da, tamo gdje piše CG, tamo trebamo. Samo malo. Tu vidi likoš. Ćao. 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 Au, sine. Šta je ovo bilo? Au, sinčina. Au. Samo je stala, izgazila sve. Gazio je voz. Sine. Interesantno. Ok. Još sa malom prečicom. Oko zgrade sam pošao. Oko zgrade. Oko...
Grove
Okay.
Street. Home.
At least,
At least it was before I
wrap up
fucked
that.
everything up.
Da. Okej. Ovdje Big Smoke. Aha, to oni debeli. čovječ. Beš bez veze.
Stop it! What are you doing, Carl? Brian, stop it!
Carl.
Quit it! Moms are here.
Mom, they're up to something.
Ja, baš nije sad.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Hey, hey, Big Smoke! It's me, Carl! Chill, chill!
Da, to je taj Big Smoke. Smoke
Oh, my dog! What's up?
Hey, baby, you okay, man?
Nah, man. It's my mom's, homie.
Hey, I don't know why this had to happen, but I promise you, I'm gonna find out who killed your moms. The
A on
streets
zna,
is
verujte mi
cold,
sve.
dog.
Zapravo
Like it
je
says in the
on
book,
unajmio dok
we
je
are
njegova
blessed
uzimiti
and
spoiler. Dobro, gledajte.
What fucking book?
Same things make us laugh, make us cry.
Ajde
Right
sad.
now, we gotta
trebamo
take care of our business. Go see your brother
Sad
at the
ćemo mi da
cemetery.
idemo
Come on, let's
sahranu.
bounce.
Ajde. Koje kola će uopšte da ga poveze, baš me zanima, a? A znam ona, dobro, ne, to se neće ni prikazati, realno, okej, dve.
You wanna drive?
Hoće.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice
To su
car,
fora ona
Smoke.
kola za sahranu.
It's not
Content
cut.
zaštite.
Keep the value in it. Keep it real.
Okej, Sweetie Kendall. Aha.
I miss you
Dobro,
besides
Sweet je
this,
njegov
man.
brat,
We
Kendall
were
je
happy to
njegova
see you.
sestra, eto. Kendall je ovo što čuči, Sweet je ovaj u sredini,
Hey, what's up, y'all? Look
ovaj
who I
pored
found
skroz je
hanging around.
Ryder.
Carl, hey, good to see you.
I can't believe she gone, man.
That's another funeral you ran away from, fool. Just like Brian's.
Hey, she was my mama too.
Not for the past 5 years she wasn't, nigga. And where the fuck you think you going?
What? Get out my face. I'm going to see Caesar.
The hell you are, girl. You ain't messing with them essays. You know we beefing. They ain't nothing but a
Look,
bunch
I
of
love
lowlife.
women. What the fuck are you?
At least I got principles.
Oh, and I guess that makes you an upstanding American. Carl, tell him.
Carl, don't tell me shit,
As long
bitch.
as he treat her right, disrespect you, and he
How the
did.
hell you gonna say that? Like it's any business of yours.
Fuck you, sweet.
Oh, shit. Here
Asshole.
we go again.
This shit's real fucked up. Everything.
Brate,
What you mean?
fora svaka treća reč mi je psovka.
What, apart from your mother being dead? Things are going real bad. Here, let me show you running, man. Tony's buried over there. Little devil over there. Big devil over there. Man, it's just crazy.
Jo, sad će
Everybody
dođu
blast on
balasi,
food
da,
first,
da.
then ask questions second.
Okej, evo ga. Da, sad će mi se sad oni. Niggas. Da, i kako niste vidjeli, ove ovdje s načarima.
Ballers.
Ne, ovi debeli, ovaj mršav.
Drive-by, incoming.
Taj je Ryder. Hell, on su
We gotta
uništili
get back to the
kola.
hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a
Evo,
bike
sine.
and pedal. If
Dobro,
you ain't forgotten that,
prva misija,
follow my lead.
ajde. Okej, moram da pratimo ove likove. Prvo Svita, ajde. Znači, pratimo njega.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Izvini, sine.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
O,
get
sine,
so
evo
bad.
si, brate. O,
I thought this
shit.
was family's turf.
Yeah, it's
Vozi,
Temple
vozi,
Drive
vozi, vozi,
now.
vozi,
We don't
vozi,
roll
vozi,
with them
vozi,
no
vozi,
more.
vozi, 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 jedno su iza, brate. Požuri, bre. Glup. Ajde. Daj, likovi toko kruže po gradu, ajde. Uđi, likovi me puca. Mogli su samo da nastave, no. Jebem tigrac. Ne, vrte, zašto mene? Zašto mene? Mrš! 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 Sad će ovdje kraj, da. Požuri, bre. U jeskinovi lik pola helta, ja ne verujem. Ajde, bre. Vidi ga. Kako sam ja noob. Ne! Ne.
Move it, CJ, move.
Evo.
Shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up. Keep up, motherfucker.
Ajde ću ti, Ryder. Samo moram pratim njih. Sad ih hvala Bogu da ih ovo je odveo brzo. Ubili bi me.
You just a liability, CJ.
Ajde,
Why you
stani.
bother coming back?
A gdje idemo, bre?
Straight back into the game, right, dog? You on one. Was it this bad before you left?
Ajde. Okej.
East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
Te ide bre, gde je ovaj? Vidi bala si. Ajde, Okej, skači. Okej, sad ja otprilike znam gde trebamo ići. Ajde, vidi ga ovaj debeli, brate. Bako je fuck! Fuck! Sine, ne. Ne opet. Ajde, nastavi, produži. Ne, nemoj da me ubiju, brate. Ne, ubit će me, ladno. Ne, Rajderu. Blago se njima. Sine, žive. Okej, brzo. Eno ga. Ne smiju dale. Okej, ajde. Sine, bilo je ovo lako, konačno. Okej.
Got with them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Ride a nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later.
Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
No.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you.
Da se obuče i da promeni frizuru. Ovdje trebamo da sačuvamo igru sad. To je ta kuća. Tu je garaža, tu možemo kola. Dobro, otprilike znate, brate, ko nije igrao GTA. Okej, dobro, ovdje ulazimo, znam. Sve u svemu, vidi ovaj debeli matori. Okej, prešli smo misiju. Interesantno. Ostavit će ovaj BMX u garaži, sam da vidite kako treba vidjeti. Otvoriš garažu, staviš kola, izađeš, eto. Vidimo, igrat ću fora, možda još jednu misiju, pa da prekidam. Okej, šta je ovo? Tu sačuvam igru. Zanimljivo. Okej, sad čućemo igru. Okej. Dobro. Jedna kratka misica. Pa da završimo. Da, dobro. Okej, idem samo... Zapravo, šta kažete na sljedeću epizodu? Da im sjajno telefon.
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here. Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Temple Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, Setrim and Ballers and Vargos are taking over. So watch yourself out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention it.
Znači, Freki nam je rekao, nisam baš slušao, ali nema veze, moramo kao da se dobro obučemo, šta ja znam. I ono, da izgledamo kao gangsteri, na primjer da se obučemo kao ovaj niga, da imamo oružje u rukama. Mislim, ja tako barem to razumijem, da se ošišamo i da, baš ćemo to u sljedećoj epizodi ovdje s Rajderom raditi. Pa gledajte sljedeću epizodu, šta vam kažem, moram da prekinem. Ajde, čao!